Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, I'm diving into essential travel hacks every couple needs to know. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway or an adventurous escape, these tips will help you make the most of your trip. First up, pack smart. When you're traveling as a couple, consider sharing a suitcase. This not only lightens your load, but also saves space. Roll your clothes to maximize room and use packing cubes to keep everything organized. Trust me, you'll appreciate the extra space for souvenirs. Next, always have a plan. B. Travel can be unpredictable and things don't always go as planned. Have a backup plan for your accommodations, activities and transportation. This way, you'll avoid stress and keep the romance alive, even if things go sideways. Communication is key. Before your trip, sit down with your partner and discuss your expectations. Are you looking for relaxation or adventure? Make a list of must-see attractions and activities for both of you. This ensures you're on the same page and prevents any misunderstandings. Here's a fun one. Surprise each other. Plan a secret activity or dinner during your trip. It adds an element of excitement and shows that you care. Plus, it's a great way to create lasting memories together. Don't forget to download essential apps. Apps like Google Maps, TripIt, and language translators can be lifesavers. They help you navigate new places, keep track of your itinerary, and communicate with locals. Being prepared digitally makes everything smoother. Money matters. Create a travel budget and stick to it. Decide how much you want to spend on accommodation, food, and activities. Use apps like Splitwise to manage expenses between the two of you. It's a great way to avoid any financial stress during your adventure. Now, let's talk about dining. Trying new foods is one of the best parts of traveling, but it can also be overwhelming. Share your meals. This way you can taste a variety of dishes without overindulging, plus it's a fun and intimate experience. Lastly, capture the moments. Take lots of photos and videos, but don't forget to be present. Sometimes the best memories are made when you put the camera down and just enjoy the moment. Create a travel journal together to document your experiences and reflections. There you have it, folks. Essential travel hacks every couple needs to know. Have an amazing trip, and remember, it's all about the journey and the memories you create together. Happy travels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and adventures.